Hi to all, I am Afnas from Positalks. I am discussing about the topic solar water heater. Contents. Introduction. Problem faced by electric water heater. Objective of solar water heater. Working. Advantages. Conclusion. Introduction. Solar water heater is a device which produces hot water by using solar energy. It's generally installed at the terrace or where sunlight is available and heats water at daytime, which is stored in an insulated storage tank for use when required, including morning and night. Problem faced by electric water heater. High cost of production and maintenance. Less safety. Need of large amount of electricity or electrical energy. Objective of solar water heater: minimize more energy consumption, minimize more energy consumption, letting us to save money, more safe. Working. Solar water heaters carries an array of solar and collectors to collect energy and to collect solar energy and an insulated tank to store hot water. These solar collectors and solar water heaters are connected each other. During the daytime, water in solar collector is get heated, which is either pumped or flow automatically to the storage tank. This automatic flow is based on the principle thermosiphon principle. Auto, uh, Hot water then stored in the tank can be used for various purposes. This picture shows how the solar water heater works. Next, advantages of solar water heater. Simple to construct and install. No or negligible running cost. Almost maintenance free. Cost is low and economically compactivity compactive with electric water heater system. It saves time and large amount of electrical energy. Require low temperature up to 100 degrees Celsius can be achieved by a simple flat plate collector. Fuel saving. No need of any external energies like electric energies. Only need solar energy to work to heat the to produce hot water. Only solar energy is used for producing hot water. Conclusion: more efficient than electrical water heater, pollution free, and energy uh, less energy need. Thank you.